Okay, we are on the Allure, and this is room 14172. This is a ADA accessible room. It has its largest space. This is the beds. They're supposed to get separated. And then you get a closet, safe, nice size closet. They haven't set up anything for me yet. You got the cooler. I don't see any of my stuff, but I'll call guest services and ask for it. I have the balcony view, which is it's actually a nice size balcony if I can get out. This is the balcony. It actually has a ramp so you can get down in a wheelchair. It's a nice size balcony actually. This is the Port of Miami. So if you ADA compliant, this is a nice size room. That's my mom. Say hi. This is her first cruise, and we heading to the Bahamas. We on the Allure from Royal Caribbean. All right, let's look at the bathroom. And this is actually a adjoining room, so we won't be opening that. Oh, okay. The bathroom is spacious. Again, it got where you can get in with a wheelchair. It's flat, so it don't have the, and then it has a chair, which is needed. Oh, there you go. There's the whole room. Cruising